Welcome, friends so dear, to Toonriesrhymes. We're glad you're here.
Oh, little hands so clever and bright, playing with crayons, such a colorful sight. Red and blue, green and yellow, making the world so happy and mellow. But when the fun is done, it's time to say, let's put the crayons back where they stay. In the box, neat and tidy they go, ready for tomorrow's colorful show. Clean up time is a magical thing. It teaches us joy and the order it brings. Pick up your crayons one by one. Helping each other can be so much fun. The red crayon says, I'm tired today. The blue crayon yawns, let's all hit the hay. The green crayon whispers, it's bedtime for me. The yellow one giggles, back in the box we'll be. Parents will smile, teachers will cheer, when little ones learn to keep things near. So sing this rhyme as you clean and play. Crayons in the box at the end of the day. Repeat the song, make it a game. Teach little hearts to do the same. Cleaning up is easy and fun when everyone helps, yes, everyone. So grab your crayons, let's all sing along. Put them back in the box where they belong. Tomorrow they'll wait for another new start to create more art with your big happy heart. The red crayon says, I'm tired today. The blue crayon yawns, let's all hit the hay. The green crayon whispers, it's bedtime for me. The yellow one giggles, back in the box we'll be. Let's keep our crayons safe and sound in the little box where they're always found. Good habits start with a tiny step, and putting crayons back is the best one yet. The red